Hey, welcome back to Hobbies with Jose. I'm Jose Carbajal, and today we've got part finale of our Bandai Voltron model kit build. And even though I've almost killed myself, I'm ready to get this done. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. It's great to have you here. Now, I have been working on Voltron all week, just trying to get some of the more details completed, ready for today's finale. And I've got the sword here, where I painted in some more silver sections. We're going to paint in more of the details in, along with the panel lining for the figure and some final weathering. So let's continue with that. So folks, we've come to the end of our build here, and overall I'm very happy with how our lions ended up. The sculpting on these lions is just overall fantastic. And I do think it's great that they come with additional heads just dedicated for the Voltron body too. Having said that, I do wish that the black lion also came with an additional head to give us a better sculpting just for the lion. The neck is a little bit thin, and the way that the mouth opens up is kind of weird because it has to have its hinge all the way in the back to accommodate Voltron's head on the inside. But overall, it's not too bad. But now we come to the point that I've been waiting for, and I know you have too. For the past 2 months now, it's time to form Voltron. So we have yet another model kit completed, and overall I had a ton of fun, but there were some challenges. The problems that I've had with this kit though were entirely my fault. During the construction, many of the pieces were exceedingly tight, only because there were a lot of parts that I had painted over and then didn't sand down, so it caused extra friction, and because of that, I had a lot of breakage as well. Multiple legs broke off, so I ended up having to make my own pegs, so I really can't fault the figure for any of that. It is a fantastic model kit to build. Just keep in mind those things if you're going to paint it though. The overall sculpting is just great, and getting the multiple heads is a nice touch too, but like I mentioned, he really needed an extra black lion head too. This Voltron though is never going to get turned back into lions though, so I don't have to worry about that. But I do recommend it if you're planning on picking it up. A high number of parts counts, only because a lot of the extra pieces for the legs and whatnot, the extra heads, and that's partly what caused me to take such a long time in building this figure. Pretty much 2 whole months. I mean, I'm already a slow modeler as it is, so. But I had a great time with it, so it'll gladly go into the display case. As for what's coming next, well, I am definitely ready for another custom transformer, so hope you can all join me for that. Normally I do a review as a bonus video for the next transformer that I'm going to customize, but I haven't really had a chance to do that this time around, so I think the next regular video will be the review, and then we'll start the customization after that. So hope you can all look forward to that, and thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all next week. Take care, everyone. Have I been wearing this t-shirt for 2 months?